Back like we never left. What is good, everybody? Today's video, the reverse discard. Oh, that'll have your head spinning. Already know how I get down. I don't like to waste time and I'm ready to get into it. So let's do that right now. They make it so unbearable, become so fucking unreasonable, try to argue you down about everything, get so reckless and dangerous that you eventually ain't got no choice but to fucking leave. Oh, but the confusion doesn't stop there. See, we can't quite figure out just why in the entire fuck they would waste all this damn time, spend all of these years, build a life, have kids, share assets, possibly had a marriage, give off so many perceptions out in public, all was well, only to be the very definition of an asshole behind the scenes. Cheat, lie, manipulate for their own personal enjoyment? But wait, there's more. See, we have given so much effort, empathy, and poured emotionally the best of ourselves that we get upset realizing there'll never be a return on this investment. And you know how we are with our time. Those non-refundable ass years that took an emotional toll like nothing you've ever experienced before? All of that is for nothing? That's just the thing about narcissistic abuse. We don't recognize in that very moment that we're being pushed out to leave, to try to make us feel bad, so the narcissist can seek access after and be seen as the one who can claim you were crazy. That's right, the reverse discard wasn't just to make room for the new supply. Nah, it was also to make you feel guilty, but even worse than that, responsible for their fuck-ups, their misdeeds, and their reprehensible ass behavior. Oh, but when you have time later for some self-reflection, to look back on what you endured, the lies that you put up with, the constant gaslighting and projection, you see that this shit was coming for a long ass time. You see that the narcissist was always counting on you not realizing your worth. The silent treatment was always gonna be a way they could go cheat in peace. The manufactured arguments that would lead to them storming off was so you could go sulk in misery while they enjoy the supply of pissing you the fuck off. And I want you to consider how trifling, diabolical, and heartless of a human being you gotta be to treat the person you supposedly love as if they are a disposable piece of trash on a Wednesday morning. But see, sometimes, just sometimes, we need a reawakening into learning just what our worth truly is. We sometimes need people to show us disrespect so we can course correct in our own fucking lives, so we can release all of the leeches, liars, and the frauds from our life. This was a lesson you didn't ask for, but you damn sure needed, because sometimes the universe gotta double backslap the shit out of us and force us out of our comfort zone, that safe space we were in, so we can spread our fucking wings into safety, into learning that you were in isolation because of fear, so we can have an opportunity to educate ourselves on this kind of destructive ass behavior, but most importantly, what we will no longer tolerate in our fucking lives, granting access to those that didn't earn it, and healing the trauma in our lives that ever made us think that loving this monster harder could have ever led they raggedy ass to change. As always, thank you to every single one of you for tuning in and checking out this video today. If you're new to the channel, become official to the squad. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification down bottom. Become an official part of a team that will always push you towards personal greatness. I'll be back soon with another new video, but in the meantime, have an amazing day. Stay strong and stay inspired, and as always, until I see you guys next time, peace.